In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change the password of your Shopify store. Keeping your Shopify account secure is very important, and updating your password regularly is a smart way to protect your store. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on your store name. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Now go to the Security section. Inside the Security settings, click on Change Your Password. You'll now be asked to enter your current password. After that, type your new password in the New Password field. Make sure your new password is strong by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, confirm the new password by entering it again. Once everything is correct, click on Change Password. That's it. Your Shopify store password has now been updated successfully. Thanks for watching and stay secure while managing your Shopify store.